So walls are still pretty bare. Mostly, I decided to focus more of my attention decor-wise on the kitchen. Don't want to put too much decor in the living room, which theoretically will have more foot traffic and maybe more disturbance. So I think the kitchen is where I'm going to focus my stuff on. I mean to put more things on the wall. I have a little box that essentially I'm using as my makeshift coffee table because I don't have an outright desk or table for it. So it has coffee mix, Roma cafe, some coffee filters, some teas, and I just bought some chocolate powder mixes. So that's there. I'm gonna zhuzh it up over time. My sister said she has some vinyl, I guess just vinyl like paper. So I'm gonna just have a color and I'm gonna cover that up. But like I don't have wreaths and I'm not necessarily in a wreath mood, but I do want to put something in front of the bathroom, and you know the bathroom and my room are in the same hallway. So I want to put something in the bathroom. So what I decided to do was similar to the bow that's above the mantle, that's on the mantle. I'm holding in flowers. I'm going to do a bow on the bathroom and flowers. So today we went to Dollar Tree and I got both. Actually, first I got the flowers. So I'll show you the flowers I got. The flowers on the mantle are kind of in a reddish, pinkish tone. These are very much orange tones. We've got what's listed as a hydrangea, but it's like a brownish hydrangea. Another hydrangea, a green and brownish. And then we have this, what's this as fall grass. And I don't know what this is supposed to be, if it's just some type of fake made up plant, but I think it works really well with these colors. I've got 2 of the fall grasses and I guess 2 hydrangeas. I didn't think myself a hydrangea person, but I feel like hydrangeas are appearing in every little flower bundle I make. So we got this, but I have this fantastic. And I saw this, I'm like, I can't pass it up. It's not necessarily what I wanted, but I think it's majestic. I think it's fantastic. Oh my gosh. It's not glitter, which I don't care for glitter things. But it's lovely. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna make the bow, and I want it to be like a long bow, but maybe not too long because there might be a pet coming in or coming back soon enough. So I don't necessarily want it low enough that the said pet will be able to reach and chew at it, because what will be the point? So yeah, it's just gonna be like, it's gonna be the bow on the bathroom door. Just see how this would look. And then, yeah, so something really simple, something really, really nice. But this is, I like the flower bundle, very pretty, but I think this is really making it in terms of like seasonality. So I'm gonna try and do a bow where I don't have to cut a bunch, where I can just take it down and pick and reuse it next year if I want to. So pretty. What a pretty color. Here is the aforementioned coffee corner box. I did staple the corners shut, and it's next to the water. The sugar is going to be put in other things, but I will be redoing that or zhuzhing it up at some point in the future, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I did make a bow, some type of bow with the ribbon. I stapled it to this piece of wood because the tacks weren't doing the job of fixing it to this door, whatever this door is made out of. So what I did do instead was, this is the roll that the ribbon was wrapped around. I cut 2 V's on the bottom and the top, and I did that to staple the flattened roll to the door. And the flowers are just in there with some ribbon wrapped around the bottom. I don't think I have any more ribbon. I don't think I have any more ribbon. But I do have this lovely bow now that I can either put somewhere or hang. So, anyway, this is what the bathroom's looking like. I like it. It doesn't necessarily say festive, but maybe I'll paint this, or maybe I'll get more ribbon. I don't know. Maybe I'll take this out actually and do something with it. Who knows? Anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching. Bye. I do also want to show what happened with the ribbon. So the ribbon, it was a hassle to try and stick it on. I made a bow. I tried to put the bow on wood. The wood wasn't sticking up even though I felt for it, blah, blah, blah. So what I've done instead now, and I have the flat paper out of the way, I'm holding it up, is I took the ribbon, see it's this leaf ribbon, and I just wrapped it around this lamp. It's not taped. It's sticky enough on itself that I can just wrap it around and it's fine. I don't think that it will burn. I'm gonna check it and see. I'm gonna observe it obviously while it's on. But I think it one dims the light because we have this orange overlay over it. But also it's festive and it says, you know, fall. It says of the time of the season. It looks more orange in person as opposed to just like random leaf shape that it might be coming up on camera as, but I really enjoyed it. Festivities! Yes, so. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.